Pyridoxine, vitamin B6. It is also called as rat antidermatitis factor. It is found in 3 forms: pyridoxal, pyridoxamine. All three show vitamin B6 activity. Its coenzyme form is pyridoxal phosphate. Its sources are yeast, rice polishings, germinal portion of the seeds, liver, kidney, muscle, etc. It acts as a coenzyme in amino acid metabolism. Its coenzyme form is pyridoxal phosphate. It acts as a coenzyme for transaminase enzyme. For example, it acts as a coenzyme for glutamate oxaloacetate transaminase, which converts glutamate and oxaloacetate into alpha ketoglutarate and aspartate. It acts as a coenzyme for decarboxylase enzyme, glutamate decarboxylase. It converts glutamate to gamma aminobutyric acid. This reaction is important. Decarboxylation reaction is important because it results in formation of biogenic amines. From tyrosine, tyramine is formed, and from histidine, histamine is formed. It acts as a coenzyme for deaminases, serine deaminase. It converts serine to pyruvate plus ammonia. Acts as a coenzyme for racemases, alanine racemase, L-alanine to D-alanine. Kynureninase enzyme, 3-hydroxykynurenin is converted into 3-hydroxyanthanylate. Pyridoxal phosphate is also involved in transsulfuration reaction, converting homocysteine and serine to homoserine and cysteine. It helps in conversion of glycine to serine by serine hydroxymethyl transferase. Involved in biosynthesis of arachidonic acid, porphyrin biosynthesis, coenzyme biosynthesis, and intramitochondrial fatty acid synthesis. It is also involved in sphingomyelin synthesis. No deficiency disease has been described, but its deficiency results in epileptiform convulsions in infants. Because pyridoxal phosphate is deficient, activity of glutamic acid decarboxylase gets decreased, resulting in lower GABA concentration. Therefore, convulsions occur in small children. In B6 deficiency, hypochromic microcytic anemia is seen with high iron levels, resulting and hemocydrosis of liver and spleen. Because conversion of alpha amino beta ketoadipic acid cannot occur into delta amino levulinic acid. It is found in useful in treatment of pregnancy and also in muscular dystrophy. Daily requirement is 2 milligrams per day. Lipoic acid, also called as thioctic acid, it is found abundantly in nature. It is covalently bound to the lysine group of enzyme as epsilon N-lipoyl L-lysine. It acts as a carrier of electrons and acyl group, and its deficiency has not been reported in higher animals because it is abundantly found in nature. Its metabolic role, it acts as a coenzyme for pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, which converts pyruvate to acetyl-CoA, alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex, which converts alpha ketoglutarate to succinyl-CoA, and for sulfite oxidase, it acts as a coenzyme helps in conversion of sulfite to sulfate. Pantothenic acid, it is also called as chick antidermatitis factor. Pantothenic is a Greek word meaning everywhere. It is found abundantly in nature. Sources are kidney, liver, egg yolk, cereals and legumes. Fair sources are skimmed milk, chicken, fishes, etc. Most vegetables and fruits are not good sources. Its coenzyme form is coenzyme A. It is involved in metabolism of fatty acid groups, acyl and acetyl groups. It functions in form of active acetate and active succinate. It participates in following reaction as active acetate in synthesis of citrate. In TCA cycle, acetyl-CoA plus oxaloacetate will give you citrate plus coenzyme A. Enzyme is citrate synthase. As active acetate, it is involved in synthesis of acetylcholine by following reaction. Acetyl-CoA plus choline will give acetylcholine. It is involved in formation of acetyl-ACP and malonyl-ACP in fatty acid synthesis. The enzymes acting are acetyl transacylase and malonyl transacylase respectively. It is involved in synthesis of cholesterol. 2-acetyl-CoA react to form acetoacetyl-CoA. Enzyme is thiolase. Then HMG-CoA synthase acts on acetoacetyl-CoA and acetyl-CoA to form beta-hydroxy beta-methyl glutaryl-CoA. So it participates in cholesterol biosynthesis. It is also involved in formation of ketone bodies and is also used in acetylation reaction of drugs, chemicals, etc. It is in form of active succinate. It participates in following reaction. Active succinate is formed by alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex. Alpha ketoglutarate gets converted into succinyl-CoA. Succinyl-CoA participates in heme synthesis. Succinyl-CoA plus glycine will give delta-aminolevulinic acid. The enzyme involved is 5-aminolevulinate synthase. It is involved in degradation of ketone bodies. Acetoacetate plus succinyl-CoA will give succinate plus acetoacetyl-CoA. Enzyme is beta-ketoacyl-CoA transferase. Coenzyme group is being transferred to acetoacetate. In beta oxidation of fatty acids are activated to form fatty acyl-CoA. Then shortening of fatty acid takes place by thiolase enzyme. 3-ketoacyl-CoA gives shortened fatty acid plus acetyl-CoA. It is also essential for formation of adrenocortical hormones. No deficiency of pantothenic acid has been recognized in humans because of its widespread distribution. Deficiency in experimental animals are dermatitis, loss of hair, alopecia, graying of hair. Gastrointestinal tract manifestation include gastritis, enteritis, fatty liver in dogs and rats. Myelin degeneration of peripheral nerves has been observed. Daily requirement is around 5 to 12 milligrams per 2500 kilocalories. Biotin. Biotin is also known as anti-egg white injury factor. Its coenzyme form is biocytin, which occurs bound to the enzyme as epsilon N biotinyl lysine. Its sources are liver, kidney, milk and milk products. Vegetable sources are vegetable, legumes and grains. It is involved in carboxylation reaction, functions along with carboxylases as coenzyme. Biotin acts as a coenzyme for acetyl-CoA carboxylase, which converts acetyl-CoA to malonyl-CoA. It also acts as a coenzyme to propionyl-CoA carboxylase, which converts propionyl-CoA to methylmalonyl-CoA. Acts as a coenzyme to pyruvate carboxylase, which converts pyruvate to oxaloacetate. Here ATP is required for addition of carbon dioxide. Other reactions are in purine biosynthesis. AIR carboxylase converts 5-amino-imidazole ribotide to 5-amino-4-carboxyimidazole ribotide. Beta-methylcrotonyl-CoA carboxylase requires biotin and it takes place in leucine metabolism. Biotin deficiency is generally not seen, but in experimental animals, dermatitis, spectacle eyed appearance, thinning or loss of fur, graying of hair is seen. But two conditions are seen. One is the congenital disease in which holocarboxylase synthase enzyme is deficient. This enzyme helps to utilize biotin. Affected child is unable to utilize biotin and develops deficiency, which is manifested as dermatitis, graying of hair, loss of hair, incoordination of movements. Urine shows urinary lactate beta hydroxypropionate because the enzymes are unable to function. In another disease, which is known as Leaner's disease, which results in erythroderma, desquamativum or exfoliative dermatitis. It occurs in breastfed infants because milk is low in biotin content, and the child also suffers from diarrhea, due to which biotin deficiency occurs. Daily requirement is 25 to 50 micrograms daily. Folic acid. It was isolated from spinach, therefore named folic acid because folium is derived from Greek word meaning leaf. It is widely distributed in nature. Good sources are liver, kidney, yeast, green leafy vegetables, etc. It is involved in transfer of 1 carbon atoms. Its coenzyme form is tetrahydrofolate. 1 carbon atoms can be of 1 carbon moieties can be of many types like methyl, methylene, methanol, formyl, formimino, and it helps in their transfer. Tetrahydrofolate is used in protein synthesis in prokaryotes for transformylase enzyme, which converts methionine transfer RNA to N-formyl methionine transfer RNA, which initiates protein synthesis in prokaryotes. In purine biosynthesis, it introduces 1 carbon moiety at position 2 and 8. The first reaction is GAR transformylase enzyme converts glycinamide ribonucleotide to formyl glycinamide ribonucleotide. In the second reaction, AICAR transformylase, which converts 5-aminoimidazole 4-carboxamide ribonucleotide to N-formyl aminoimidazole 4-carboxamide ribonucleotide. Both reactions require tetrahydrofolate as coenzyme. It acts as a coenzyme in conversion of deoxyuridine 5' phosphate to deoxythymidine 5' phosphate by thymidylate synthase. It acts as a coenzyme for methionine synthase, which converts homocysteine to methionine. For serine hydroxymethyl transferase, which converts serine to glycine. Its deficiency manifestation have been experimentally produced, results in abnormality of blood formation, growth retardation, reproduction difficulty, produces macrocytic type of anemia, bone marrow shows arrested growth. Daily requirement is around 400 to 500 micrograms daily. Vitamin B12, it is synthesized only by bacteria present in soil, water and animal intestine. Its sources are animal sources like liver, kidney, meat and fish, egg, milk, etc. It cannot be synthesized from plants because they do not synthesize vitamin B12. Its coenzyme form is cobamide coenzyme. It is also known as anti-pernicious anemia factor. The central ring structure is called as Corin ring structure, which contains cobalt atom and it resembles porphyrin ring. Its vitamin B12 is synthesized only by bacteria. B12 acts as a coenzyme for following enzyme. It acts as a coenzyme for isomerase, which converts methyl malonyl CoA to succinyl CoA. It is involved in methylation of homocysteine to form methionine. The reaction is as follows. Homocysteine plus N5 methyl tetrahydrofolate will give you methionine plus tetrahydrofolate. It is involved in methylation of pyrimidine ring to form thymine. This reaction is given in folic acid. Conversion of ribonucleotides to deoxyribonucleotides. It is important in DNA synthesis and the enzyme is reductase. It is required for metabolism of diols. Ethylene glycol is converted into acetaldehyde. It is involved in conversion of glutamate to beta-methyl aspartate by the enzyme mutase. Deficiency manifestation. It produces adult pernicious anemia. It is macrocytic anemia. In addition to hematological disorder, it is combined with neurological features. Achlorhydria is observed, that means stomach is unable to produce HCl. Degenerative changes of posterior and lateral columns of spinal cords are observed. It is required around about 3 micrograms daily.